Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of flight simulation and gaming with the top 5 best joysticks on the market right now. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or just starting out, these products offer a variety of features and price points to suit your needs. As always, you can find links to each product in the description below. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Flydrone S8 Flight Simulator Remote Controller. This budget-friendly option is priced at just $42.99, making it a great entry point for kids and new pilots who want to dip their toes into FPV drone simulation. Its standout feature is its compatibility with a wide range of FPV simulator software, including popular titles like Liftoff and Velocidrone, giving you plenty of room to explore different virtual environments. The design is lightweight and ergonomically crafted, featuring a non-slip texture on the handle for a secure grip. While it's not as robust as higher-end models, its non-centering throttle mimics the feel of a real FPV drone remote controller, making the transition to actual drone flight smoother. However, the joystick lacks advanced customization options, which may limit its appeal for more experienced users. In terms of performance, the high-sensitivity Hall joysticks offer decent precision, but the overall build quality and responsiveness may not stand up to heavy use. This product is ideal for casual users or those looking for an affordable training tool. The downside? Its customer reviews average just 3.5 stars, with some users noting latency issues. Overall, it's a solid pick for beginners, but less suited for professional pilots. At number 4, we have the Thrustmaster Tflight Stick X, priced at $49.99. This joystick offers an incredible bang for your buck with features like 12 action buttons, 4 axes, and an integrated throttle. It's a plug-and-play device, meaning you can start using it right out of the box without extensive setup, making it perfect for casual users and gamers who value convenience. The weighted base ensures stability during intense gameplay, and the wide handrest provides excellent comfort for extended sessions. While it's compatible with PC flight simulators like Microsoft's Flight Simulator X, its design feels slightly dated compared to newer models. The joystick's pre-configured features are great for beginners, but advanced users might find the lack of deeper customization a limitation. Performance-wise, the joystick delivers a smooth and responsive experience, but it lacks some of the precision found in higher-end models. Additionally, its build quality is solid, but not exceptional, with some users reporting wear and tear after prolonged use. If you're looking for a reliable, budget-friendly joystick for casual gaming, the Tflight Stick X is a worthy contender. Coming in at number 3, we have the Thrustmaster T16000M FCS, priced at $79.99. This joystick takes precision to the next level with its patented heart technology, ensuring accuracy that doesn't degrade over time. It's fully ambidextrous, with removable components to tailor the joystick for left-handed or right-handed users, a unique feature in this price range. The design is sleek and well-built, with 16 action buttons, a multi-directional hat switch, and 4 independent axes, including a twist rudder. The Braille-style button identification is a thoughtful touch for accessibility. While it's heavier than other models, the added weight contributes to its sturdiness and prevents it from slipping during use. Performance-wise, the T16000M FCS excels in precision and responsiveness, making it ideal for both casual gamers and simulation enthusiasts. The TARGT software also allows for custom mapping profiles, adding versatility for different games. However, its lack of compatibility with consoles limits its audience to PC users. Overall, this joystick strikes a fantastic balance between performance and affordability. Taking the second spot is the Thrustmaster Tflight HOTAS 1 Microsoft Flight Sim 2024 Collector's Edition, priced at $109.99. This joystick and throttle combo is officially licensed for Microsoft Flight Simulator, making it a top choice for Xbox Series X, S, and PC gamers. The detachable throttle allows for flexible setups, whether you prefer to play on your lap or a desk. The joystick features 10-bit precision across 5 axes, 14 buttons, and a multi-directional hat switch, providing ample control for all types of aircraft. The dual rudder system, accessible via the Z-axis or the tilting throttle lever, adds an extra layer of versatility for maneuvering. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during long flights, while adjustable resistance lets you fine-tune the controls to your liking. Performance-wise, the Tflight HOTAS 1 offers a seamless experience for both casual and serious flight sim enthusiasts. Its compatibility with the Thrustmaster ecosystem opens the door to future upgrades, such as adding a rudder pedal system. On the downside, its weight and bulk may not suit users looking for a more portable option. If you're serious about flight simulation on Xbox or PC, this joystick is hard to beat. Finally, at number 1, we have the Turtle Beach Velocity 1 Flight Stick, priced at $139.99. This premium joystick is engineered for air and space combat simulation, offering high-precision, non-contact main axes and a customizable multi-function throttle. With 27 programmable buttons, 8 axes, and an integrated OLED flight management display, this joystick is packed with cutting-edge features. The ambidextrous design ensures comfort for all users. Whether you're piloting fighter jets or commercial airliners, the adjustable RGB lighting adds a touch of personalization, while the intuitive flight configuration wheel simplifies setup for different simulation scenarios. Its lightweight design and touchpad navigation sensor for cursor control make it stand out in terms of usability. Performance-wise, the Velocity 1 is built for serious gamers and simulation enthusiasts. The joystick's precision and responsiveness are unmatched, but its higher price may deter casual users. Additionally, some users have noted concerns about build durability over time. If you're looking for a top-tier joystick that delivers an immersive simulation experience, the Turtle Beach Velocity 1 Flight Stick is the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect joystick for your needs. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you. See you in the next video.